Unlocking the fun of Dad's barbecue weekends. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a flavorful and family-oriented phrase, Dad's barbecue weekends. It's a phrase that might sound simple at first, but it's packed with cultural nuances and language learning opportunities. Let's explore together and uncover the layers of meaning behind this phrase, making your English learning experience even more exciting. Dad's barbecue weekends refers to weekends when a father, or dad, prepares barbecue meals for the family or friends. This phrase is not just about the action of grilling food. It's a cultural expression that signifies family bonding, relaxation, and enjoyment around a meal prepared outdoors. The word dad here emphasizes the role of the father as the cook, which can be a special event, considering that in many cultures, day-to-day cooking might be done by someone else in the family. 1. Dad. This term is a casual and affectionate way of referring to one's father. It implies warmth and closeness in the family relationship. 2. Barbecue. Short for barbecue. This cooking method involves grilling, smoking, or roasting food over an open fire or grill. Barbecue is popular worldwide and can include various foods, such as meats, vegetables, and even fruits. 3. Weekends. This part of the phrase indicates that the activity takes place on Saturdays and Sundays, the traditional days off in many countries. It suggests a break from the work week, emphasizing leisure and family time. The phrase, Dad's barbecue weekends, goes beyond just describing a cooking activity. It embodies the idea of quality time spent with loved ones. It can evoke memories of summer, outdoor activities, and the joy of sharing meals. In many cultures, such events are a way to strengthen bonds, create memories, and enjoy the simpler pleasures of life. It also reflects a scenario where traditional gender roles might be playfully reversed or shared, with the dad taking on the role of the chef. When encountering phrases like, Dad's barbecue weekends, it's beneficial to look at the context to understand the deeper meanings. Explore related vocabulary, such as grill, smoke, charcoal, and marinate. Practice using the phrase in sentences, such as, We're going to my uncle's for Dad's barbecue weekend. Discuss the concept with friends or in language exchange sessions to share different cultural perspectives on family gatherings. Dad's barbecue weekends is more than just a phrase. It's a window into family dynamics, cultural traditions, and the joy of food and togetherness. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of English language and culture. Keep an eye out for such phrases that open up new worlds of learning and connection. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning! Remember, every phrase in English is an opportunity to learn something new about language, culture, and the world. See you in the next video.